Convicted killer George Brinkman facing the death penalty again.
Again, that's right. Back in court today, awaiting sentencing for a second time for killing a mother and her two daughters. A three-judge panel found Brinkman guilty 6 months ago for the murders of Suzanne Taylor and her daughters, Taylor and Kylie Pfeiffer of North Royalton back in June 2017. Today, a social worker testified for the defense, saying this wasn't typical behavior for Brinkman. She questioned whether his meds for diabetes and depression affected his actions. And a surprise in this courtroom today as well, when Brinkman made a statement, not under oath, bringing some of the victims' family members to tears.
I committed the murders. To the family and friends, I'm sorry. They didn't deserve what I did. I took away from you the opportunity to watch them grow, get old, have families, be successful in their careers, have children. I took it all from you. And I know sorry will never be enough.
Well, the Ohio Supreme Court threw out Brinkman's conviction and death sentence in this case after a mistake by a trial judge back in 2021. He's also been convicted for killing a Stark County couple during his two-day crime spree. Court continues tomorrow. Of course, 19 Investigates will have the very latest.